Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're discussing digital marketing. What is digital marketing and how does it work? Let's find out. Digital marketing is all about promoting products or services using digital technologies like the internet, mobile phones, and other digital mediums. It connects businesses with their target audience, boosts brand awareness, and drives sales through various online channels. There are many strategies in digital marketing. Businesses use search engines like Google, social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, email marketing, content marketing, and more. These tools help reach a global audience and engage in meaningful ways. Why is digital marketing important for your business? Let's break it down. First, it allows you to reach a wider audience. With social media and search engines, you can connect with potential customers worldwide. Second, it's cost effective. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing lets you set your budget and target specific audiences, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. Third, you get measurable results. Tools like Google Analytics show how many people saw your ad, clicked on it, and made a purchase. Finally, you can target your ads to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, increasing your chances of reaching the right people. Now, let's talk about the types of digital marketing you should consider for your business. Content marketing involves creating valuable content to attract and engage your audience. This includes blogging, video content, and infographics. Next, we have SEO, or search engine optimization, which helps your website rank higher in search engine results. CM, or search engine marketing, involves paid ads to increase your visibility on search engines. And don't forget social media marketing, which uses platforms like Facebook and Instagram to connect with your audience and build your brand. But does digital marketing work for all businesses? Absolutely. Whether you're in B2B or B2C, digital marketing strategies can be adapted to fit your needs. Different industries use digital marketing in unique ways. For example, retail businesses often use social media and email marketing to reach consumers, while service-based industries use content marketing to educate and build credibility. Small businesses might focus on local SEO and social media, while larger businesses might invest in comprehensive digital campaigns across multiple channels. So what are the benefits of digital marketing? It increases brand awareness, helps you engage better with customers, boosts conversion rates, and offers a higher return on investment compared to traditional marketing methods. And why should you consider a career in digital marketing? The demand for digital marketers is growing as more businesses go digital. It's a field that offers diverse skill sets, opportunities for creativity, and continuous learning. To start a career in digital marketing, you can pursue education in marketing, communications, or business. Gain certifications like Google Ads, build a portfolio, and start with internships or entry-level positions. Digital marketing roles include SEO specialists, content marketers, social media managers, PPC specialists, and digital marketing managers. Each role focuses on different aspects of digital marketing to help businesses achieve their goals. In conclusion, digital marketing is a powerful tool for promoting products and services online. It involves various strategies like SEO, content marketing, and social media advertising. As technology advances, digital marketing will continue to offer new opportunities for businesses to connect with their audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights from Truehost Academy. See you next time.